you guys, on my way to the mountains, and my tire blew out, my front right tire. So Tinkerbell's hot. I just put ice all over her, and I'm waiting for my roadside assistance. The blowout was the front right, and it just tore up. Everything fell everywhere. Everything fell everywhere. So I'm going to have a mess to clean up, but I am up in the trees. It's 97 degrees, and I'll show you the tire. Okay. I'm on Highway 206, and here's my tire. Yeah, it blew out. I was going 60 miles an hour when it blew. So I'm just waiting for them to show up. I'm on this busy highway. It's a really busy highway. So, all right. That's what's going on. It's hot. But it's not as hot as if I was down in Phoenix. It's a little bit cooler. You guys, I'm still sitting here at, I think it's 8:50, and I'm still waiting for my tow. And I am in the dark. I've been here for over 8 hours. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. They said they couldn't find anybody that wanted to come today or this evening, that they could come tomorrow. And then she said, she called me back and asked me if I had dualies. And I told her, yes, I do. And she said she'd be calling me back. She was talking to somebody. But, you know, I'm like in the middle of nowhere and on the side of the road. But again, you know, out here again, Tinkerbell. Let me do that. Tinkerbell is right there, sleeping. Her sleeping. Yeah. She's not too pleased. It's been hot. I finally took her out. I was afraid to take her out because of the timber rattlers, and the grass is pretty tall outside. So I finally, right before it got dark, I just kept her really close to me on the leash. And I don't know why it won't do that when I turn it around. See, there's no light when I turn it around. I don't know why. But I'm going to be getting a better phone to do better videos, and I'm going to get a GoPro. So we're going to do some fishing videos and stuff that'll be coming up here in July. But yeah, so this is another day in life and times of Debbie and her motorhome breaking down or getting flat tires. We're good at that. Anyway, we'll see what happens. So, finally, it looks like someone is coming. It'll be a total of, if he comes and shows up, he should be here by like 12:30. He's got to go an hour and a half drive to get here. And that'll make it about 12:30 a.m. And I asked for help from the roadside assistance at 11:30 a.m. So yeah, that'll be 13 freaking hours. But yeah, looks like we're gonna be, whoops, what's that? Looks like we're going to be towed up to where I have ordered the tire, and they're going to let me camp out in the parking lot or across the street. So yeah, wow, this is another exciting evening and day in the life of the Debsters. Deb. I don't know what to say. I was up driving at 5 a.m. so I'm pretty tired. Tinkerbell is too. She's laying down still sleeping. He's lifted me up. Sorry about the windshield, but I drove a long ways.
Is the motorhome in park?
Yep.
You have e-brake set up?
And e-brake don't work.
Okay. What works does?
This is the guy that came and got me. Really nice guy. Say hi to my YouTubers. There's our Xena. There's Tinkerbell. She's stressing out.
Go inside and put it in the park. Okay?
I'll put it in park? Okay.